What up, YouTube? This is a 1986 K20, and we're back with another badass repair.
All right, so here's what we got. These are airbags for the back from truckspring.com. This is the Load Lifter 5000. So we're gonna basically just put bags on the back of this thing, give her a little more tow capacity, a little more bed weight. Let's see. All right, first issue, I had to cut the end of these U-bolts off to hold my leaf spring on. I put these upgraded leaf springs on, but I left the U-bolts a little long, so had to trim them. And then I always put this stuff, this POR 15, I put it on everything.
All right, if you look at the directions for the Airlift 5000, the bracket on there has 4 holes. For some reason, mine only came with 3 holes, so I'm adding another one.
All right, there it is, fellas. We got the Airlift 5000 installed on the K20. I'd be lying if I said it didn't take me all day. Just figuring stuff out and trying to get it perfect. But that's it. I tried to use this hole right here, couldn't get it to work. So I had to drill all 4 new fasteners in the frame. Not really that big of a deal, but that's it. Installed, done. Well, I'm not done. I still gotta hook up airlines, but the hard part's done. All right, have a good one.